Welcome to the MercyShips Typo 3 training series. In this video we will have a look at how you can create the different links in the text field. For that purpose we click on page, then we choose a page where we want to add our links. We edit our content element and we can start adding links. First, I'd like to add a link that points inside the web page. So I simply name it link inside web page. I select the text, click on the insert link button. A new window pops up and I click on the page tab. Since we will be linking inside our web page, make sure that the target is top. Width and height you can leave as is, and change title to a clear text that tells the visitor where it's going to go. For instance, let's create a link to the donate page. So I type in go to donate page and I scroll down to the donate page and I click on the name and a link inside the web page has been created. Next, I create a link to an external website. Link to external websites. Okay, again I select the text, click on the create link button, then I go to external URL. That means when you click on that link, it will take you to, for instance, the mercyships.org website. If you create a link to an external website, make sure the target is new window in order for the link to open in a new window and not replace the current website. The title, again, please type something that describes where the visitor is going to go. So visits our international website. Width and height and the style you can leave. Then set link. Next, I would like to link to a file, which can be, for instance, a PDF that you have uploaded before. In our case, we just simply link to an image, just to illustrate the link to a file. Link to a file. I select the text, click on the create link button, choose the file button. Again, if I link to a file, make sure the target is new window in order to link to open in a new window. Title, go to this file, just type something that means something. Go to your folder and choose a file which would probably be in your PDF folder, but this folder for now is empty, so I just simply choose an image file to illustrate. I click on the file name and the link has been created. The last link would be an email. I select it, I click on the create link button and I choose email. Here I can type in the email address I would like to send a mail to. So info@mercyships.ca, for instance. Again, type a title, send an email, and set the link. Let's have a look how it looks like on the web page. I click on Save Document and View Page. As you can see, we have those 4 links created. So you see, if I put my mouse over the text, the alternative text will show and explains what the link does. So make sure you type the title. I click on the link. The first one takes me to the donate page. Inside the same window, link to external web page. If I click on it, a new tab will be opened and I will be taken to the international web page. So if I close this web page, I'm still in our web page. Next link would be link to file. That in this case would open the image, but of course you would probably link to a PDF. Again, if I close this window, my web page is still open. Then I can click on my send email link, which opens my email software, which is Outlook Express in my case, in order to send that email. Here's my address I typed in. Back in Typo 3, I can change my link by selecting it, clicking the right mouse button and choose Modify Link. Then I can change the title, I could change my target page, etc., etc. I could also say Remove Link in order to remove that link from the text, the phrase. If I want to remove the link from the second link to an external web page, I can click the right mouse button and say Remove Link and say OK, etc. That's how you can create links inside Typo 3.